In-depth comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Nikon Z6. The iPhone 17 Pro, announced in September 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone, emphasizing computational photography, high-end video, and seamless integration into a mobile ecosystem. In contrast, the Nikon Z6iii, released in June 2024, is a professional-grade full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who prioritize interchangeable lenses, raw image quality, and hybrid stills video performance. While the iPhone 17 Pro is a versatile all-in-one device, the Nikon Z6iii is a dedicated imaging tool. This comparison focuses on key aspects like design, imaging capabilities, performance, and value, assuming a primary use case in photography and videography. I'll break it down category by category using a table for quick specs overview, followed by a detailed analysis. 1. Design and build quality. The iPhone 17 Pro is a pocketable powerhouse at just 206G, with an aluminum unibody, ceramic shield front back for drop resistance, up to 2 mm, and IP68 water dust rating, 6 mm depth for 30 minutes. Its slim profile makes it ideal for on-the-go shooting, but it's not built for rugged professional environments without a case. The Nikon Z6iii at 760 body only, feels substantial and ergonomic with a magnesium alloy chassis, weather sealing, and customizable grips. It's designed for extended handheld sessions but requires a bag for transport. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro for portability, Nikon Z6iii for pro durability. 2. Sensor and image quality. The iPhone's triple 48-megapixel sensors deliver impressive computational results. Vibrant colors, HDR via photonic engine, and ProRAW for editing. But its small sensors limit low-light performance and dynamic range compared to full frame. Effective resolution is high, 48 megapixels, but noise creeps in above ISO 3200. And it's optimized for social media while sharing rather than prints. The Nikon's 24.5MP full-frame partially stacked BSI CMOS sensor excels in raw image quality, superior dynamic range, 14+ stops, low noise up to ISO 5600, and natural colors. It supports FEMBIT RAW files for post-processing flexibility. The partial stacking reduces readout time to 14 ms, minimizing rolling shutter. Winner, Nikon Z6iii full-frame trumps smartphone sensors for professional stills. 3. Lens system and versatility. The iPhone's fixed lenses offer a versatile 16x optical zoom range, 0.5x UAV to 5x tele via tetraprism, macro at 2 cm, and software enhancements like night mode. It's good enough for most scenarios, but lacks the optical purity of prime's zooms. The Z6iii's Z-mount ecosystem, 40+ native lenses, allows endless customization. Ultra-wide primes for landscapes, fast telephotos for wildlife, or cinema lenses for video. Paired with adapters, it supports F-mount glass. Downside, extra cost and weight. Winner, Nikon Z6iii for creative control. 4. Autofocus and shooting performance. Both shine in AF. iPhone's LiDAR-enabled phase detection tracks subjects reliably in low light with burst upward to 10 FPS for action. It's seamless for casual use but can hunt in complex scenes. The Z6iii's 493-point system with 3D tracking and AI subject detection, humans, birds, planes, is faster and more accurate, especially in continuous AF. At 20 FPS electronic, it captures razor-sharp action sequences. Winner, Nikon Z6iii for speed and precision. 5. Display and viewing experience, the iPhone's 6.3 OLED is a stunner. 120Hz smooth, 460p pie sharp, and 3000 nits bright for outdoor editing. Dynamic Island adds intuitive controls. The Z6iii pairs a vari-angle 3.2 hours touchscreen with a high-res EVF for precise composition in any light. The EVF's 20Hz refresh feels fluid. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for everyday viewing, Nikon Z6iii for critical focusing. 6. Video capabilities. The iPhone records cinematic 4K 120p Dolby Vision with stabilization, action mode, and color grading in apps like Final Cut. It's user-friendly for vloggers, but limited to 10-bit HEVC. The Z6iii dominates with 6K R60p internal NRAW, 12-bit, 4K 120p oversampled, and 240p slow-mo. Pro level for filmmakers, with waveform monitors and zebras. Rolling shutter is minimal. Winner: Nikon Z6iii for depth and formats. 7. Battery life and power. The iPhone's 4252 mAh battery lasts 20+ hours of mixed use, with 30.08 wired, 15 LoRa MagSafe wireless charging. Is optimized for all-day phone duties. The Z6iii's EL15C yields 380 shots but drains faster in video, 90 to 120 min to 4K. Hot swappable batteries help, but no in-body charging. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for endurance. Storage, connectivity, and ecosystem. iPhone offers seamless iCloud integration, 5G Wi-Fi 7, and AirDrop for instant sharing. Perfect for mobile workflows. The Z6iii's dual slots support high-speed CF Express for 6K RAW, with Nikon Imaging Cloud for recipes tool presets. It integrates with SnapBridge for transfers but lacks phone smarts. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for connectivity. 9. Price and value. At $1,099, the iPhone includes a full computer/phone camera hybrid. The Z6iii's $2,500 body plus $500 $2,000 for lenses is a pro investment, but street prices dip to $200. Which one is the best choice? It depends on your needs, but the Nikon Z6iii is the superior choice for serious photographers and videographers. Its full-frame sensor, interchangeable lenses, and pro video tools deliver unmatched image quality, flexibility, and performance that the iPhone can't match in dedicated scenarios, like landscape prints, wildlife bursts, or 6K RAW films. If you're building a kit around creative control and don't mind the bulk cost, it's a powerhouse. However, if you want an all-in-one device for casual to advanced shooting on the go, integrated with calls, apps, and editing, the iPhone 17 Pro wins for its portability, battery, and ecosystem. It's best for 90% of users who prioritize convenience over peak optics. If budget allows, consider the iPhone as a secondary tool alongside the Nikon for ultimate versatility.